For a limited time, BrightSign is offering a trial subscription of our cloud-based management platform, BSN.cloud, and a beta release of the completely rebuilt authoring and management application, BrightAuthor Connected. Each player includes a free BSN.cloud Control Cloud subscription that allows customers to control a single device or a network of players in real time from anywhere. Additionally, from now until January 2020, customers can test drive the paid BSN.cloud Content Cloud subscription. The subscription includes a robust set of network and content management tools that allow customers to host, publish, and schedule content remotely. After the beta ends, the BSN.cloud Content Cloud subscription will cost $99 per player per year. If you suspend your BSN.cloud Content Cloud subscription after the trial, your network will convert to the unpaid BSN.cloud Control Cloud, meaning you'll still be able to control your players remotely, but you'll lose access to the BSN.cloud hosting and publishing tools. To access both the Control and Content Clouds within BSN.cloud, we've created the application BrightAuthor Connected. With BrightAuthor Connected, you can set up and manage BrightSign players, and you can create, schedule, and publish presentations from one integrated user interface. It's available natively both on PC and Mac, and Content Cloud subscribers can use the Chrome web browser to access BrightAuthor Connected. To enroll in the beta, first write down the serial numbers of your player or players to use later in this tutorial. You can find the serial number of each player printed on the player and its shipping box. Next, download and install the desktop client for your Mac or PC from BrightSign.biz. Launch BrightAuthor Connected and press the orange Connect button. If you haven't set up a BSN.cloud account, select New User and follow the on-screen instructions to set up a new account. Wait until you receive a verification email from BrightSign and then validate your account. Log into your new BSN.cloud account from the browser. This will launch the desktop client of BrightAuthor Connected. Then log in with your new BSN.cloud credentials. Now give your BSN.cloud network a name and agree to the terms and services. You'll see a dialog box that asks you which BSN.cloud subscription you would like to try. The Control Cloud is a free subscription included with every player that allows you to control your player network from anywhere. The Content Cloud subscription includes all of the Control Cloud features plus new content and management tools, and is free through January 2020. To add players to BSN.cloud, press the Add Device button. Now add each player's serial number to the tool along with a name and description. If you chose Control Cloud, the player is set up by default to publish over a local area network. If you chose Content Cloud, the player is set up by default to publish over BSN.cloud. Watch the setup and publishing tutorials for details. Now, power on each player, connect it to the internet over Ethernet, and to a display over HDMI. Each player must have a blank exFAT or FAT32 formatted microSD card installed, and it's recommended that you use a qualified microSD card sold by BrightSign. After the player boots, if you don't see the welcome screen and instead see the white device setup screen, the player's operating system may be out of date and will need to be updated to the current BrightSign OS. To update a player to the current BrightSign OS, visit BrightSign.biz and navigate to the Downloads page. Select the model number and click on the BrightSign OS link. Save this file to an exFAT or FAT32 formatted microSD card. Then, eject the SD card from your computer and insert it into the player. Reset the player and wait for it to install the software. The player will reboot several times, and when the player is ready, a welcome page will appear on the screen. You can verify that the player is online by clicking on the green bar at the top of the screen and checking on the status of the player. Your player is now connected to BSN.cloud and ready to receive content from BrightAuthor Connected. Watch the tutorials on building presentations, scheduling, and publishing for step-by-step instructions. Also, if you're trying out the Content Cloud beta, you can access BrightAuthor Connected from the web UI. For the best experience, we recommend using Chrome as your browser. The URL of the web interface is BSN.cloud. If you need help during the beta, you can visit the Known Issues page or contact the support team. If you have suggestions to improve BSN.cloud or BrightAuthor Connected, please join the BrightSign community. Thanks for installing BrightAuthor Connected and joining the free beta of BSN.cloud. While these tutorials build on one another, they're composed of short, manageable modules, so feel free to follow along or skip to a specific feature.